Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create your Dropbox account or how to sign up in a Dropbox app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I've already installed Dropbox from my Play Store. You can also get it to an App Store or Play Store, and after that, simply tap on it to open it. This will take you to the very first page of Dropbox where you can sign in with Google, with Apple, or simply sign up or sign in if you do already have an account. We're going to create one, so I'm going to tap on sign up. Now you can insert your very first name over here with the last name again and the required email address, and you can even create a password for your account. Create a very strong one, and when you're done, tap on I agree to the Dropbox term just below this, and now you can simply tap on create account. You can see that your account is being created and it's being loaded right over here. So simply now you can upgrade for free 30 days or even move further. Or if you're not okay with it, you can simply go to the skip section on the top right corner of the screen. So you can see this is a particular page over here. This is a home page with your accounts. This is a profile right over here. So this is how you do it. This is how you create your account on a Dropbox or simply sign up in a Dropbox app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.